The Water Drop's Big Adventure. Introduce Wally, a tiny water droplet living in a serene blue lake who dreams of going on a big adventure. One sunny day, Wally feels a strange pull upwards and finds himself rising into the sky. Wally turns into vapor and joins other droplets in a fluffy cloud, learning about evaporation. The cloud floats over different landscapes, showing Wally the vastness of the earth. Wally meets a droplet named Vicky, who tells him about her journey from a faraway glacier. As the cloud becomes heavy, it starts to rain, and Wally begins his descent back to Earth. Wally lands in a bustling river, learning about the journey of water through streams. Wally flows along the river, witnessing humans and animals using the water for various needs. The river leads Wally to a farm where he sees water being used to grow food. Wally learns about irrigation and the careful use of water in dry regions. The sun's heat makes Wally evaporate again, and he realizes he's part of the water cycle. Wally joins a new cloud and travels to a city, seeing water's role in homes and industries. The cloud drifts over a forest fire, and Wally rains down to help douse the flames. Wally feels proud to be a part of the rain that saved the forest and its inhabitants. As winter comes, Wally falls as a snowflake, covering the landscape in a blanket of white. He learns about conservation as children collect snow for a future water supply. Spring arrives, and Wally melts into a stream, joining a reservoir that supplies water to a city. Wally realizes that every drop counts and vows to share his story about saving water. As the water cycle continues, Wally encourages everyone to use water wisely. Wally's adventure ends, but his journey in the water cycle goes on, keeping our planet blue and green. Time to sleep. Good night, baby.